Hey guys, I have a haul for you today. I'm actually excited about this. I found some good things, like a lot of good things. I'll save the two good things for last. Okay, first thing I found is this Rae Dunn shirt. I have another Rae Dunn shirt and I don't think it's sold yet. It says like Dog Mama on it. This one says Honeymoon Vibes and it's an extra large. I don't know. We'll see. This is a cute Madewell shirt. This is a size extra small. Can you guys hear Nolan? I love the color of this. So cute. It's got like ruffles right here. I'll have to insert a picture because you're not gonna be able to tell like exactly how cute it is. It's cropped. The back looks like that. This is definitely like, this would definitely fit a small, maybe even a medium. Pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. It's a size medium. The neon colors seem to sell really well. My camera's like washing it out, but it's like a neon like highlighter yellow, the logo. Wild Fox shirt. I wish I found this before Christmas. This is a size small. It says, I can get you on the naughty list. Whoa. 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 This is cute. I have to friggin' put the hoodie string back in. It fell out in the wash. The brand on this is Camp David. It's a size extra large, but it's just a main sweatshirt. I love the color of this. This is kind of small for an extra large. I would say this fits more like a large. I'll have to do measurements. But yeah, and it has pockets too. I like the color a lot. Pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. It's a size extra small. This fits more like a small. It's just camouflage and cropped. It's a lightweight sweatshirt. I started looking in the t-shirt section again and I'm so glad I did because I found an amazing t-shirt. But yeah, I'm trying to stay like friggin' 3 seasons ahead because that's what you're supposed to do in reselling, right? So this is a North Face t-shirt. It's a size small. Yeah, just a basic tee. I like the color. I love this shirt. I might keep it for myself. Size medium and it's an Aaliyah shirt. It's got Aaliyah on it. Shirt's cool. It's a Nike shirt. Size medium. This is definitely a men's medium, but it's got a cat on the front. Like I saw the cat, I'm like, eh, what is that? And then I saw it was Nike. Like look how badass that cat is on the back. Whoa. Ivory Ella. I've stopped picking up this brand, even though I just sold an Ivory Ella shirt the other day. But this is a size extra large, and I don't know, I thought it was cute. It says Lucky on it, a little elephant. Basic shirt, Pink Victoria's Secret, size medium. Again, I was looking in the t-shirts. This Pink Victoria's Secret says extra small, but this definitely fits more like a medium. Just long sleeve, green, tie-dye. This shirt was super cheap, so I just got it. It's Levi's, size medium. Again, getting my summer stuff, because I really want summer, guys. Now that Christmas is over, like I like winter just enough for Christmas time, and then I want summer back. And it's crazy because I always used to be just a winter person. I never liked summer because I snowboarded like every day, but now that I don't snowboard anymore, I need to go snowboarding at least once and then we can have summer back. Okay. Size large. It's just The Office. I don't know, I feel like The Office is pretty popular. Someone will want this. It's like super soft too. Like this material is like really soft. On to some pants. These are just Nike crop leggings, size medium. Look like that. I just liked the colors on the side here. Some Reformation jeans. I was excited for these. These are the Julia High cigarette jeans. These are size 29. Look like this, just black. Excellent condition. Lulus, these are a size 6. These are Wonder Unders, I believe. Maybe like an older style. I said I wasn't gonna pick up older Lulus. I know. Is that video up? I think that video is up, guys. I'm sorry you can't see my face, but you don't need to see my face. I haven't felt well lately. My oldest has COVID. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. I picked them up. They were super cheap, so I got them. Madewell jeans. These are the Cali Demi Boot jeans. I've sold these before. They're size 29. Button fly. Black Nike sweatpants. I got them to bleach. I have like so much stuff I want to bleach. They're a size medium. Yeah, I'd say that's a men's medium, so women's large, but I'm just gonna bleach these, so they're nothing special right now. They will be more specialer later after I bleach them. I found these leggings and I don't remember who I saw talk about this brand. I don't know if it was Jenna Empty Hanger. It's K-Deer. These are a size medium. I looked up comps and they look pretty decent. I They're just ombre leggings, like full length. I don't know, we'll see. Can jeans, I don't usually pick up this brand. I don't know, but these were super cheap. They are a size 9 or 28. And they're in excellent condition. We got 2 more things. These aloe leggings. I have sold this style before. I don't know what they're called, and I don't know what this size is. I would say medium. They look like this, and they've got like this going on. I've sold this exact pair, not in this colorway. But yeah, I don't know. I forgot what they're called, but there's the aloe logo. These I saw, and I don't know, I took a chance on them. They're James jeans. These are a size 28. These are the Twiggy Orion jeans. They're in excellent condition, so we'll see how these guys do. Let me know if you guys have ever picked up this brand before. James jeans. Jeez, we got Joe's jeans. We got James jeans. Who others? Who else? Who else do we got? We got Jessica jeans. We have Jessica's. Jessica? Last thing, another pair of Lulus. These are, ooh, they still have the pull tag. They're size 4. I don't know what these are. They've got a little tie on the inside. Look like this. They are wide leg. I always just assume the wide leg Lulus are the groove pants, but that's not true. We got a little pocket on the back. I'm gonna have to spend 3,000 hours on Lulu Fanatics to try to figure out what these are. Alright, so that is it for my little haul. Oh no, that's not it. I didn't show you guys the best things. I'm like, wait, hold on. I found this sweatshirt by Kenzo Paris. I had to look up this brand, no idea what it was. New with tags, size small. The comps look really good, but it's just a tiger, like an embroidered tiger, and it says Kenzo Paris. Apparently this is a luxury brand. I gotta do more research on it, but yeah, it should sell really well. And then I saw this, and I was super excited for this. This is a Moschino shirt with a little bat teddy bear. So cute. On the back. I looked up comps for this, and I couldn't find many of the white shirts. I found a bunch of this shirt, but black. But there was only like 1 sold or 1 listing for the white. I searched on eBay, Poshmark. Did I search on Mercari? I think I did search on Mercari. But yeah, I couldn't find the white one, so we'll see. We'll see how this does. Here's the tag, by the way. Oh, and this is a size medium. Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. There's a tag. Excited to find this. It was just like chilling on the end. I'm like, you're coming home with me. If you see anything in this video that you want to purchase, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.